Hiccups. We've all had them, but why do they even happen? Turns out, hiccups are caused by involuntary spasms of the diaphragm. When it twitches, it forces air out, closing your vocal cords, and boom, that annoying hic sound. But did you know there's a myth that hiccups means someone's thinking about you? Well, sorry to burst your bubble. That's just an old wives' tale. Your hiccups are more likely caused by eating too fast or gulping down fizzy drinks. So next time you get hiccups, forget the myths. Just take a deep breath, drink some water, and they'll be gone in no time.